Hey guys, welcome back. Good to see you again. Welcome back on our YouTube channel. And today I'm making butter chicken after a long time. But why butter chicken? There are two things for me to make butter chicken. First, James, you wanted the recipe for it. I know Chef Richard doesn't know how to make butter chicken. I usually make when I'm working with him. So that's for him. Make sure your dad makes the recipe what I'm showing today. Same, exactly. Yeah, no shortcuts. Tell him to make proper way. And the second reason is I felt so bad because my son, Reeshan, ordered butter chicken in his school canteen. Can you believe that? He's asking for butter chicken in his school canteen for the lunch. Come on, man. You make butter chicken anytime, whenever you say it. And you still have to order butter chicken in your school? Come on, Reeshan. Okay, so here is the butter chicken for Reeshan and from James.
But that day was my lunch order day, so I have to pick any lunch order.
But why butter chicken?
I can eat butter chicken.
I know you can eat butter chicken, but dad can make butter chicken anytime.
So let's start. Usually you don't add any onions, but I like to add onions. First reason, enhance the flavor, and the second thing, they provide the body or the consistency to the gravy. So I like to add onions. It's up to you. If you don't like the onions, don't add it in the gravy. But traditionally, you don't add any onions in the butter chicken gravy. I have peeled 3 onions here. I'll let you know how many spices you're gonna add it in. Yeah, it's very simple recipe. So let's do it. First, I slice the onions. All right. So I took 3 whole onions. Alright, so 3 onions. We'll stop it here. My oven is ready. This chicken, marinated it last night. One night before, we will be marinating this chicken, which I'm doing right now. And tomorrow I will be cooking it. The reason I'm marinating it tonight, so all the spices will go inside. It will help to enhance the flavors. Take some chicken thigh and then you make dice of it, or either you buy diced chicken thigh. I did some hung yogurt. So how I did hung yogurt, you just take some yogurt, you put a chunks on it, and then you pour on it, and then the water will drain out, and this is the solid part which you need for the marination, because you don't want the watery yogurt, otherwise this marination will turn into a very watery thing, which you don't want. You want it the marination to be coating around the chicken dice. Then you add maybe how much? I would say 100 grams, 150 grams of hung yogurt. All right. So that's enough, I think. Yeah. Let's 200 grams in 1.5 kilo of chicken. Okay. Then you add maybe ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon should be enough. You don't want it too much because you want the other spices as well. Then you add some salt. You're not adding too much salt because you need some salt in the curry as well. You just want the salt just enough to go inside and give it a good flavor. Then you add garam masala. A lot of my friends ask me what is garam masala in Indian kitchen. So you can find this garam masala. It's a mixture of clove, cardamom, and all the mainly major spices of Indian kitchen. You can find it in any Indian store, ready to use. So you add maybe 10-15 grams of garam masala in it. You need a little bit of oil too. So you add any vegetable oil. That should be enough. Just to make it coat, not to let it dry. That's the main reason of adding oil, nothing much. And then you mix it with your hands. Alright. Yes, I forgot one thing. Red chili powder. That's the main thing, because the best thing I'm using right now is a paprika powder. Need to add paprika powder in it too, because the paprika powder will not make it spicy, and traditionally butter chicken is not a spicy dish. It will be mild, flavorful dish. Paprika powder will give it a good color. So that's what, and then you marinate it like that, marinate it nicely, and then we will be leaving it in the refrigerator overnight, so all the spices will go inside and it will get a good flavor. That's it. I'll transfer it in a small container. So from now it goes in refrigerator, and then I need to wash my hands. I soaked cashew nuts and almonds. I'm gonna make paste out of it. Goes in there. Goes in there. Okay. Add some water in it. This cashew and almond paste, using it tomorrow when I will be making the gravy. That's ready too. This paste is also ready. Both the things in the refrigerator. We'll take them out tomorrow when we'll be making the butter chicken. See you tomorrow. And it is ready. It's nicely marinated now, flavorful. I will be putting this in the oven to get a nice color. If we do traditionally, we do it in the tandoor. Tandoor is a clay oven fueled by charcoal. Alright, it goes in here. Alright, it should be done in 20-25 minutes. In the meantime, onions are ready. I'll get tomato paste for it, and I will get some dried fenugreek leaves, because fenugreek leaves are the flavor for this recipe. You don't add any coriander in the butter chicken, only the fenugreek leaves. That's where you get the fenugreek flavor out of it. We should start now the butter chicken gravy. We have sliced onions, we have some butter. Butter, you can see it's 200 grams only. And this paste which I made yesterday when I was marinating the chicken, dried fenugreek leaves. I'm gonna add some water in it. So, you know, it is, sometime you will find some dust in it. So better you put the water in it. Cream, double cream, cooking cream, and tomato paste. So these only things you need for a butter chicken. And one more thing, honey. So this honey, you know, when you eat outside sometime butter chickens, it is sweet, you know that, yeah? It is a little bit on the sweeter side, but some people, they add sugar in it. Some people add ketchup in it to make it sweet. I prefer to add honey in it. It's more nutritional, and honey gives not only the sweetness, but also a honey flavor in it. You will feel that you are having a little bit, a pinch of honey in your butter chicken. So always add honey. Pan is hot. We'll use only half the butter to saute the onions, and the remaining half of the butter we will be using while making the gravy, while making the sauce out of it, to make it fluffy and creamy and buttery, because butter is the taste. I'm not adding any whole spice in it like bay leaf and cumin and other things, because I will be blending them, and I don't think that we need that many spices in the butter chicken. We are giving it a nice golden brown color. Onions are now golden brown. Now it's time for me to add the tomato paste. Tomato paste in it. Now cream. And now let it cook. The cream is boiling a bit. We will add the nut puree, almond puree and cashew nut puree goes in there. So whenever you add this one, then you can't leave this gravy on fire for too long, because it's gonna stick. Keep stirring it. If you leave it for long, it will burn, and the butter chicken will turn into burnt butter chicken, and you don't want it. It will be boiling again. Then the water of the chicken, which is cooking in the oven, the juice, we will add in it for more flavors. And I'm not adding any spices in it, because the spices which I marinated my chicken last night, that juice will come in it, and then it will have all the spices. Let's see what's happening to the chicken. All right, how it looks.
Woo!
Oh my. All right, so this is how chicken is looking. We need to give more color to it. So we leave it for next 5 more minutes. So the gravy is getting thicker now. We need to add the chicken juice in it. Alright. If you are habitual of seeing your chicken red, you may add paprika powder. Okay.
Just for color.
Just for color. That's why I'm using paprika powder, to give it a red color. It will give it a color without making it spicy. Now we need to blend this gravy. Alright, come here. Gravy is now smooth consistency. Now we go back on stove. Alright. So gravy is almost ready. Butter, the remaining butter goes in here. Dry fenugreek leaves. You never ever add any coriander, fresh coriander in butter chicken. Never ever. Now you add the most dangerous thing in the kitchen. You know what is the most dangerous thing in the kitchen? Salt. You add less, it's no good. You add more, not at all good. Now, the honey. Okay, honey goes in. Here you go. As I told you, never add any sugar, no ketchup, only honey. Honey is the key of a good flavorful butter chicken. Honey and fenugreek leaves. Now chicken is ready to go in the curry. Okay. Mix it well. Give it 10 more minutes. So the gravy goes inside the meat. Now the butter chicken is ready. It's a time for our executive chef to taste the food. Alright. Butter chicken for chef. Okay.
आप शेफ नहीं हो. आप ही के लिए तो बनाया है.
So, you garnish the butter chicken with the cream. Chef, can you please taste my butter chicken, chef?
Can you please put it here?
Okay, sir, I'm sorry. Sorry, chef.
बटर चिकन के साथ वैसे राइस भी होता है.
Butter chicken के साथ you like rice?
और रोटी.
रोटी नहीं.
Rice.
Okay, can you please taste it?
Yeah.
Then we'll make roti for you as well. It might be hot,
Not
so
with roti, with rice I like it.
Okay, it might be hot.
how is it, chef?
It's like chicken.
It's like chicken. I hope you like the recipe, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and enjoy your butter chicken. Thank you for watching. Please keep loving and keep subscribing our channel. Bye. शुरू कर दिया?
You excited, Reeshan?
Yes.
Do you know what he's making?
Butter chicken.
किसके लिए बना रहे हैं बटर चिकन? मामा?
मेरे लिए. क्यों मेरा butter chicken favorite है.
Oh, so he's making it for you, right?
Yeah.
Because it's your
And
favorite.
you, cause tell me why.
I don't
It's
know.
Mother's Day.
Oh, treat for both of us.
Oh, it's still full of ginger and garlic paste. This flavor will carry with me. So what you need to do, you need to put a lot of deodorant on your hands, or maybe perfume. No, I'm joking. Oh, ginger and garlic. Okay, so now we need to blend it.
Rishu? Honey?
No.
Good. मैं खा लूँ?
हमने ये करी. This is amazing.
Amazing. You like it?
Hmm.